Hey guys, my name is Saurabh and today we are going to solve an interesting problem whose name is shortest palindromic substring and its code is ECAPR201 and difficulty level for this problem is Cakewalk. So let's move to our problem statement. So this is our problem statement. A given a string consisting of only lowercase English alphabet means from small a to small z. Now your task is find the smallest palindromic substring. So what is a palindromic substring? So palindromic substring is a string which is same if you read from left to right and from right to left. Okay, just like madam, M-A-D-A-M. If you read from left to right, it is madam. If you read from right to left, it is also madam. So this is palindromic. Okay, in case there are multiple palindromic substring of the same length present, print the lexicographical smallest substring. Okay, and it is given that your task is to find the smallest palindromic substring. Means smallest palindromic substring means a palindromic substring of size 1. Okay, this is smallest. Formally, a substring is a contiguous subsequence of character within a string. So in a string A, B, C, D, E, F, A, B, C is a substring, whereas ADF is not a substring. Okay, now a palindrome is a word, phrase or sequence that reads the same backwards as forward. Example, madam or mom. Okay, so you need to find the smallest substring, means size of 1, and you can see that all the character of single length, means just check for A, B, C, these all are palindromic, means a size of 1 is always palindromic. So check for input. So first line will contain t, means number of test cases. Then first we have a single integer n which signifies the length of the substring, and next we have a string of length n that only have lowercase English alphabet, and output for each test case output in a single line the shortest palindromic substring. Okay, so this is the case. Let's read our test cases. So you can see that this is number of test cases, this is n, this is n, and this is string. So this n is totally waste in this question because we will not use this n. This is only here to divert yourself. So just forget about this n. But you need to take this n as an input. Now check for this string. Suppose that you have an string A, B, E, F, G, H, and you need to find the smallest palindromic substring. So all the single characters are palindrome. So A, B, E, F, G, H. And if you need to find the smallest, means lexicographical smallest, then A is the answer. Okay. If A is not there, then B is the answer. If B is not there, suppose that E, F, G is, then E is the answer. Suppose that D, E, F. Okay, so D is the answer because D is the lexicographical smallest. So if you have given a string of this size, then you simply need to find the smallest character, means a character with least sky value, and you can compare and you can find. And if you talk about Python, then you can simply use min function in that string. Okay, and if you talk about C++, so you can run a for loop, and by that loop you can find the character with smallest sky value, and you can also sort this. So if you sort this string, okay, and if string is sorted, then this index will be our answer because this contains the smallest character. Now we know the logic part, let's code it. So first of all we need to take t. T is the number of test cases. So first take t equal to int and input. Now for every test case, for underscore in range t, now we need to take input as two values. First one is n, that is int input, which is waste, or we can say diverting as well. Now we have an string, so as input. Now we need to simply print our array. So this is our code, and this is test cases. Now let's run this. Answer will be Y and C. So n is equal to input. We simply need to print minimum of s. So our answer is Y and C. Let's submit this. Okay, now let's check for C++ part. So this is C++ solution. Execution of program start from here, from int main. Now this T is for number of test cases. Okay, while T minus minus, we will take solve function, and every time this solve function run, it will take NS input and SS input, and S is string and N is an integer. Okay, now we are doing this. Okay, and there is no need to write here string C. Now we'll run a loop and take answer as a variable. I have taken answer as a character type. Now I have initialized answer equal to s of 0, means character present at first index. Okay, now for int I equal to 1, I less than s dot length I plus plus, and every time I am checking my answer with this si, means the character, and if I get an si less than answer, then I am updating this answer. So answer is equal to si, and in the last I am returning this answer, and this is char type. Okay, and simply I am printing that answer, and then endl for changing line. Okay, so this is our C++ code. Now let's check for some error codes. So this is our first error code written in C++, int main T while T minus minus. Okay, now you can see that the person that have written this code didn't take an SI input. You can see that our input is N and S here, like 2 and ZY, but in this case only S is given as an input, so that's why this is wrong solution. Okay, and you can sort like that in C++, and you can simply print S0. Now you can see that this mistake has been done by both these persons. Now you can see that N is not taken as an input, and in this code N is not taken as an input. So this is the error code. So guys, this was our today's video. If you like the video, then kindly like and share as much as you can. And if you have any query in your mind, then kindly post on our YouTube channel, and we will meet in our next video.